In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can recover accidentally deleted sticky notes on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So I have this note from here. So what if I accidentally deleted this one? So what we can do is we need to, okay, I accidentally deleted this one. What we need to do is we need to go to Microsoft Outlook. So close the sticky notes and then go to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure that you have signed in with the same account as what you have signed in onto your sticky notes. And here you have these items that you have deleted from the sticky note. So what we can do is you need to make a right click and then you have to select this option move and then select other folder. In my case, other folder has been disabled because it states right here that to enable it, purchase a licensed copy of Microsoft Office, and I don't have that. So click on the other folder option and then simply choose the notes option from the other folder. Again, click on the other folder and then choose notes. Check that notes to bring this back to the sticky notes. And then once you check on notes, you simply go with the next process and then you have to open the sticky notes again. So because you have closed it, you have to open the sticky notes again. And then you have to wait for a few seconds or like 1 minute or 2 minutes and that will be recovered from here. So you just have to patiently wait until that will appear from here. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.